My name is Ernie Walton, Administrative Director of Regent Law's Center for Global Justice. I just want to take a few minutes and invite you to attend our 5th annual symposium on March 4th. This year's symposium is entitled Women's Rights 50 Years After Griswold v. Connecticut. If you recall, Griswold was the decision from the Supreme Court that famously declared a constitutional right to privacy and ultimately paved the way for Roe v. Wade and the constitutional right to abortion. We at the Center for Global Justice want to be at the forefront of discussing these controversial and important legal issues. At 8:30 a.m. in the Regent Law Library Auditorium, the symposium will kick off with a panel that focuses on women's rights in the United States, specifically looking at whether women really are better off from these decisions, and secondly, where might the Supreme Court be headed in terms of women's rights, particularly in light of the upcoming abortion case. Secondly, the second panel will start at 10:30 a.m. and focus on women's rights in the international context, specifically looking at how do we advance women's rights in countries where perhaps women are guaranteed rights on paper, but in practice, it's just not the reality. How do we help women in countries like that? Following the panels, we'll head over to Founders Inn for a luncheon at 12:30 p.m. featuring the Honorable Marla Graf Decker of the Virginia Court of Appeals. She will discuss women's rights in the Commonwealth of Virginia. At 2:15 p.m., we have a 2-credit live ethics CLE for Virginia attorneys featuring the renowned ethics authority, Tom Spahn. It's only $50, Virginia attorneys. Please come. You get lunch and 2 credits of live ethics CLE. Finally, the symposium will conclude with an evening benefit banquet called Justice for the Unborn. And the banquet will feature pro-life advocate Abby Johnson, a former Planned Parenthood director who became pro-life. For more information, go to regent.edu/justice. We hope to see you there.